We have the 2021 Kia XCEED. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 29,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access map, navigation, button settings, radio, media, and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side and a heated steering wheel. As we get to the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.